And it feels like fall out there, but the sun's out, so that's awesome.
Sun. The sun is out there, so yes, and it would be nice to have it completely sunny all weekend long.
Yes.
Doesn't mean it's going to rain this weekend, at least maybe until Monday. Maybe get a couple of showers on Monday. But here's what we have right now. We got a few patches of clouds dancing across the sky, adding some decoration here around Boston and parts of the South Shore. Farther north and west, it's totally clear, deep blue sky, refreshing air. So this is what we have right now as we take a look at the foliage. It looks like this for this weekend. A lot of leaf peeping going on this weekend by a lot of folks. This is the traditional weekend, the Columbus Day weekend for a lot of travel up north. So you're going to see plenty of color up there. No question about that. It's a little bit more advanced than it was at this time last year. That is for sure. So a lot of color getting close to peak in many of the mountains as far as the forecast goes up in the mountains in the lakes region. It looks like this for the weekends. So the temperatures all over the place. Tomorrow's going to start out cold in the morning. No question about that. In the afternoon, the average temperature up there around 63, except of course in the summits of the mountains. On Sunday, it'll be around 71, and there may be a couple of showers and probably lots of clouds. And even tomorrow, there may be lots of clouds starting to roll in over the mountains. It's not going to be a completely sunny weekend. It's not going to be completely rainy either, but the best chance of a couple of showers on Sunday afternoon and also a few showers on Monday when it's going to be on the cool side. Speaking of the cool side, the temperatures are down quite a bit from what they were at this time 24 hours ago, 10, 15 degrees lower, so it feels like fall once again with this 59 in Boston, 62 in Providence. Opening up the shot, we can see all the chilly air, of course, as you might expect across Canada, and the real warm air is pushed to the south. The warm air is going to come right back at us, and we'll feel that, not tonight or tomorrow, but we'll feel it on Sunday. So tonight, essentially clear and chilly. Down to 40 to 45 in most of the suburbs. There will be some upper 30s. Downtown Boston in the upper 40s. And there you can see some of the outlying locations in the valley areas, low-lying spots will fall into the upper 30s, but probably no frost in most spots. Tomorrow it's up to the middle 60s, so just a tad warmer than today, but a very cold start. Then here's the temperature regime across the country tomorrow. Look at all the 80s here. They're going to come back at us. We won't have 80s, though, on Sunday, but we will have probably some 70s. There's Tropical Storm Leslie way offshore there. That's going to stay out over the Atlantic, no problem for the United States. There's a lot of cloudiness in here. It looks like a lot of that cloudiness is going to start shooting towards the mountains. In fact, we're even going to see some here after we have a clear night tonight. We're going to see varying amounts of cloudiness tomorrow and even on Sunday, too. But the idea is it's going to be coolest tomorrow and warmest on Sunday, even though you see there a lot of cloudiness on Sunday. It should still get into the 70s, and it looks like we're going to have the dew points going all over the place as well. Very dry air tomorrow, gets more humid on Sunday, but not terribly humid. And then next week it gets really humid. Tuesday and Wednesday, dew points mid and upper 60s. It'll feel like summer again. Look at these temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday after we have a few showers and cooler weather on Monday. 78 on Tuesday, 82 on Wednesday. Then we take another dive back to the 60s on Thursday. So wavering all over the place there, Chris.
All right.